A great kitchen becomes truly powerful when the right tools make every task faster, cleaner, and easier. Today, we're exploring the top 6 smart kitchen gadgets that can transform how you cook, prep, and organize your meals. Whether you love cooking or simply want to save time, these gadgets bring smart design and real convenience to everyday tasks. Stay until the end because I'll recommend which product gives you the best overall value. Number 1. Fullstar TF1096C-8 Smart Kitchen Tool. The Fullstar 4-in-1 Pro Chopper is built for anyone who wants fast, clean, and consistent food prep. With interchangeable blades, you can chop, slice, and spiralize vegetables with ease. The container design keeps your counter mess-free, while stainless steel blades ensure long-lasting sharpness. From onions to zucchini, everything stays even and ready for cooking. It's compact, simple to clean, and ideal for quick weeknight meals or big batch prep. If you want reliable speed in your kitchen, this chopper delivers strong performance without effort. Number 2. Zulay Silicone Utensil Rest Smart Kitchen Tool. The Zulay Kitchen Spoon Rest is a small but incredibly useful upgrade for everyday cooking. Designed to hold multiple utensils at once, it keeps your stove clean and organized during meal prep. Its high heat-resistant silicone is safe for hot pans, and the wide drip tray catches every drop of sauce or oil. BPA-free material makes it kitchen safe, while the non-slip base keeps everything steady. For home cooks who value cleanliness and simple kitchen organization, this spoon rest is a must-have essential. Number 3. Ioion KYMQ44BAHBS Smart Kitchen Tool. This automatic grinder set adds modern convenience to seasoning your food. With adjustable coarseness and a larger storage capacity, these mills give you the perfect grind every time. The built-in LED light helps you season accurately, especially during evening cooking. Battery-powered operation makes them easy to use with just one hand, and the sleek design fits beautifully in any kitchen. Whether you're preparing dinner or hosting guests, these grinders bring style, speed, and precision to your meals. Number 4. TrendPlain Veer 001 Smart Kitchen Tool. The TrendPlain olive oil sprayer is perfect for healthier cooking. It combines a sprayer and dispenser in one, giving you control over how much oil you use on salads, grills, pans, and air fryer recipes. The 16-ounce glass bottle is durable and easy to refill, while the fine mist nozzle spreads oil evenly. This tool helps reduce excess oil and supports clean, simple meal preparation. For anyone who wants convenience and healthier cooking results, this sprayer is a smart upgrade. Number 5. Mueller MC710 Smart Kitchen Tool. The Mueller 10-in-1 Pro Chopper is a powerful all-purpose tool for serious cooks. With 8 interchangeable blades, it handles slicing, grating, chopping, dicing, and julienning with ease. The large container keeps your counter clean, while the ergonomic design makes cutting effortless. Since 2013, this model has been trusted for its durability and reliability. If you need a single tool that can replace multiple gadgets, this chopper gives you versatility, speed, and professional-level results in every meal. Number 6. Chef CPV 1.1 Preserve Smart Kitchen Tool. The Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer helps you extend the freshness of meats, vegetables, and leftovers with ease. This compact device offers strong suction power and comes with 30 reusable vacuum bags. Perfect for meal prep, freezer storage, or sous vide cooking, it saves food, time, and money. The portable design makes it easy to store or carry, and the sealing system keeps food fresh for longer periods. For kitchens focused on organization and long-term storage, this sealer is a valuable addition. If you want fast chopping with simple design, the Fullstar 4-in-1 Pro Chopper is excellent for everyday meal prep. For tight spaces or cooking in a busy kitchen, the Zulay spoon rest keeps things clean and organized with minimal effort. If you enjoy precision and modern style, the electric salt and pepper grinder set adds convenience with adjustable coarseness and LED accuracy. For healthier cooking, the TrendPlain oil sprayer helps you control oil usage with a clean, even mist for pans and air fryers. If you need advanced versatility, the Mueller 10-in-1 Pro Chopper is the strongest option, replacing multiple tools. And for long-term food storage, the Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer gives you freshness and efficiency that everyday kitchens appreciate. My recommendation: the Mueller 10-in-1 Pro Chopper stands out as the best all-around choice. It brings maximum value, professional versatility, and strong durability, making it ideal for homes that want speed and efficiency. Thank you for watching this guide to the top 6 smart kitchen gadgets. Each product brings useful improvements to your daily cooking routine, but choosing the right one depends on your needs. If this helped you decide, make sure to follow for more clean and professional product breakdowns. See you in the next video.